because I turn it on, it still does activate. So we're going to try it out and see if we can get this thing to fly. All right, will it still fly? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Hey, this is Dad Random, and I have for you today another one of the Will It Still Fly series drones. This is called the Sky Hunter. This came out from Jei Star, and Jei Star made lightweight, inexpensive drones. So we bought more accessories. We bought things like this little multi-charger, and this one used little 1S batteries. This one is at an 1150, so it's double the strength of the one for the Elfie. And this one was also a camera drone. There's a little camera up front there. But the Skyhunter had a remote control, what made it a little bit better. And the remote control did have a phone connector. So once again, we're going to see if we can get Wi-Fi from this. And we are going to try to connect it up and see if it still flies. So in the Will It Still Fly series, Skyhunter, this came in black and white. And very lightweight Wi-Fi drone. So, and here's the controller right there. The controller does have batteries, and it does still work. So, because I turn it on, it still does activate. So, we're going to try it out and see if we can get this thing to fly. All right, will it still fly? Will it still fly? Dad Random with the Sky Hunter. Will it still fly? I don't know. We're going to find out in a second. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to install the battery. Same thing, it had a little battery connector inside. This does have an on-off button, which it does still activate. I did fully charge this battery, this 1150. I only think it gives you just a few minutes of flight time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes at the most. I did see this fly pretty high. I remember when I saw this being demoed, I thought it was pretty impressive. All of these are demoed. I did watch a reviewer actually fly it. The props look like they're in pretty decent condition. There's a lot of wear on them. You can see that this thing did get a little bit of abuse. The camera is fixed, so let's go see if it'll fly. All right, Dad Random back with the Sky Hunter. Let's just see if we can get it to take off, and hopefully we don't lose it. All right, let's get it back on. This one, I believe, yeah, we've got LEDs, and I think I remember that. It looks like we have remote control. I'm going to see if we can use the same app. That's the police coming to find out why my drone is... This is definitely a sub 250 bird. There's no question about it. It weighs nothing. I'm going to use the JJRC app and see if I can connect up to it, just so I can get the video. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find the Wi-Fi. There it is, Wi-Fi UFO. I remember that actually. That's off and on. That's strength. Oh, those are probably trim buttons. Anyway, 2.4 gigahertz signal. So, all right, Dad Random back. I have the Wi-Fi UFO app. So we're going to go ahead and try it and allow and see if we get our camera. Yep, there it is. We got a camera right there. So we do have a camera now. We should be able to control this via the controller. I'm not going to get very high with this controller because I'm afraid of what it's going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and push record and see if we can get it to lift off. It might. There's their power switch. and it's not activating. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Hey, it's flying. It's flying. It still flies. That is cool. All right. So I'm flying this thing with one hand. There you go. So there's the Sky Hunter. That's the Sky Hunter right there. We're not going to fly very far. We're not going to fly very far with the Sky Hunter. That's because the Sky Hunter is an old quad. I guess we can take this here. Let's see if we can fly it a little bit. Oh, let's get it out. Let's get. Oh my gosh. Oh crap. Oh my Lord. Let me turn this thing off. Oh shit. That brings back the memories. Oh my Lord. All right, that's the Sky Hunter. Oh my Lord. The Sky Hunter. Oh boy. So here we go. So here is the broken but not defeated Sky Hunter right there. All right, this is Dad Random. So in the case of the Sky Hunter, yes, it does still fly, and it's still hard to fly. Mostly because it's underpowered. Now I could have put it up to 100%, but even then it's 1S. So 1S power is just not enough to get what we would consider to be good controllability unless you make it smaller and compact. So you've noticed that toy companies today make these less like this and more compact and small. So the Sky Hunter, does it fly? Yeah, it does. It does fly. Is it going to fly again? No, it's not going to fly again. This is the final flight of the Sky Hunter. It is, like I said, it brings back too many bad memories, too bittersweet. So yes, but it still flies with all the abuse that it took. So all right, Dad Random, Sky Hunter. Yes, it still flies.